All right. I think we are live now. Hey guys, welcome. And I'm very happy to introduce the first mentorship program, which is starting from Monday. In this mentorship program, which will be going for next 5 days, we'll be learning a lot of interesting concepts about what option trading is all about, and we will also be learning the strategies, risk management, and many interesting things. So I'll be sharing details of it in some time. But in case if you have any questions, please feel free to type in. So as long as somebody joins in, I will be, doing some sort of market research work for Monday. So mhm. So a lot of interesting things are happening. Today it was a fun day in the market. Um, Let me just do some analysis. Till somebody posts some question, I'll be doing a market analysis. And in case if there are any questions, I'll answer. Otherwise, hi Bhargav, welcome. How are you? So anyway, I thought of I'll be doing some market analysis, drawing the fast levels and trade setup for Monday. And I thought let me be live, and if somebody asks some question, then I will answer them about the program, and then see if it really helps them. So people might be wondering what is this mentorship program, and yeah, sure, Bhargav. So what this program is all about. Um, this is options trading. People have been doing options trading with knowledge or without knowledge, but then there is a saying like half knowledge is very dangerous than having no knowledge at all. So a lot of people have some basic understanding, and they try to mix up things, and then they don't have a proper setup, proper mindset, proper market psychology, and then the way that how you deal with losses, how you deal with fear. So many things are there, right? Like booking the profits early, entering at the wrong time, fear of missing out. Many things are there, and the problem is not just that alone. The problem is in realizing your own self. See, market is more about knowing your own self than knowing where the market would go. So in order to maximize our winning chances, what are the essentials that one should know in the market? And what would see, each person's requirements are unique, right? Like I might be having some financial commitments, my lifestyle is different, the kind of demands of my life are different from another person. So you should know what your requirements for the month is, and then plan your strategies accordingly. And what should be the, if your requirement is about say 50,000 rupees, then what is the safest way to get it, and how much I am willing to lose in the market. Some sort of trade setup is needed, right? So what trade setup would work for you? What should be your risk management style? How much of trade orders that you can go, and if something goes wrong, and how do you recover? What should be your recovery strategy, plan B? And then how do you feel, how do you deal with your emotions, particularly when there is a big loss? Then next day you are so much pumped up to uh, get it as quickly as you can, right? And then you make some big mistakes, and then you place some big orders and then lose even bigger. So how do you avoid all those sort of traps? And what should be the daily discipline? We all say that one should be a disciplined trader. One has to be very methodical. All this thing, systematic trader. We say all that thing, but when the market opens at 9:15, nobody is systematic. Nobody is disciplined, right? Most often we violate our discipline. So how do we control that urge? How do we control that need to? How should we stop being a compulsive trader, We should not be a compulsive trader. If there is opportunity, then you take strong positions, take even large volumes. That's fine. But be a confirmatory trader. Have that trade setup and then enter in. But before you enter trade setup, there are a lot of self discoveries, self equip. We have to technically equip ourselves, mentally equip ourselves, and those are the things that we'll be exploring in this workshop, right? So, principally, how options market work, why people get into writing, um, what are the pros and cons of writing, and then what advantages are there in buying, and then if you're buying and writing at the same time, what sort of mental framework that you should have, and how you allocate the funds, and then how do you manage your emotions, and then there are about 7 strategies that I will be sharing. Those 7 strategies are, one strategy will work on almost all the days. Okay, one strategy will work almost all the days, and then there are certain strategies that will work only on a specific day. So if it is Monday, what should be the strategy? Tuesday, what should you do? So likewise, every day we have some sort of trade ideas and strategies, and there are also VIX based strategies. Certain times, things work only when there is a volatility, and then volatility based strategies. When there is no volatility, like today's market, if you see, it's going to be either 300 points up or 400 points up or 500 points down, something like that. It is within some 600 points up or down, right? Now, how do you, what strategies would work then? And supposedly moving forward in February, you will see terrific volatility, like 1,000 point moves will begin. So when such moves happens, you will not be ready to deal with that, because last 6 months you have been playing with a low volatility with 300 points, 600 points, the maximum that you have seen. And next month, 1,000 points will be the minimum that you will see, right? Now the volatility will increase. How will you deal with volatility? What strategies would work then? And VIX is very, very high, extremely high. Then what strategies would work? Like 27, 30, VIX is at 30. Then what strategies would work? So we are going to explore all those strategies based on the volatility, based on the days, like whether Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that, and many different strategies that we are going to deal. And if the strategy goes against it, the most important thing is that it's not about learning a strategy. You initiate a position. Supposedly, you thought that it will not cross beyond 800 points. Suddenly, you are seeing a spike of 600 points. Now, what do you do? Should you close the position and exit, or do you know how to adjust the positions? This adjustment is something nobody in the market talks so explicitly. They are like, when it moves, you adjust. No, how do you adjust? That's the main question, right? It's very difficult to find adjustments like for a writing position. So I'll be talking about how do you adjust your positions and be profitable and getting out of the trade in a very sensible way. So these are the things that we'll be learning in this workshop, 5 days workshop. So does that answer, Bhargav? You still have any questions? Let me know. Okay. So, yeah, Bhargav. Um, and it's not just the strategies and discipline alone. There are a lot of hi Nova, welcome to the stream. How are you? Yeah, it's not about just learning some strategies, money alone. There is more to market than money. See, um, it market teaches you. Huh. Oh, you're million per use. Okay, hi, million per use. Welcome. Uh, So I was like explaining why what is good about this program is it's not about that. I will also be showing. See, it's telling one strategy is one thing, and then each day, like Monday means what is the strategy and how I am initiating it and how I am managing it. Tuesday means a different strategy. So how I am initiating it and then how I am exiting it. If something goes against again, how will I manage those positions and get out of the trade. So for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so all these days we have different strategies, and these strategies are tested for quite some time. I have been employing it. Those strategies I will talk in detail, and then also show how you can manage your adjustments. Then, if trade goes wrong, it requires a lot of courage to close the trade in loss and then get out of it, and then say that okay, I made a loss. Then you shouldn't be feeling bad about it. Just that you tried something, it didn't work out, you exited. Just don't become revengeful. So how do you control that urge? There are some small techniques and things that that's not related to the market directly. It's related to you as a person. So that's something that we'll be discussing. So apart from that, if there are any questions, no, please feel free. I know a lot of people pinged me asking about the program fees, and then when it will be done, whether it will happen over the weekend, weekdays, all such things. And I thought, let me do a quick live session and then clarify. If at all there are any questions, then I will answer them. So, how was your trade today, Bhargav, and millions per use? How was your trade today? Okay. The difficult part is it is during the weekdays and on working hours. It is hectic to leave and then spend time on this at the market timing. Yeah, Bhargav, I completely understand. If you are looking for some sort of recorded sessions, that can be done, but in case if you want to really do it live, then we'll have to wait and see, like if something like weekend sessions can be scheduled or something like that. But yes, we can discuss that. I trade very small quantities, made 1K though. Wonderful, Bhargav, that's nice. One trade, big deal. Awesome million for years. Mm, In fact, today I was trying some new strategy, and then it didn't work out. I kept on, waiting for it because I know beyond a point there is a threshold point beyond which it will become completely bullish. So I was on the PE side throughout. I kept on averaging, and once that level broke, I exited all my positions at a loss. 36k loss was there, and then in next 15 minutes, I took some big orders. I know it is bullish, and then I simply kept that the threshold as my stop loss in my mind. Then we went uh, on running through that momentum. Then within some 20 minutes or 25 minutes, all the loss was recovered. Then I made some 2k today, and it was good day. Overall, it was nice experience. Oh, you took one lot of finnifty C at 53 and then exited at 110. That's doubled. That's wonderful. Awesome. So I think a lot of people are joining. It's nice to see. Um, if you really have some sort of questions about what this mentorship program is all about, feel free to ask, and we will discuss it at length. Maybe the stream is not going to be very long. I thought whoever is interested can quickly come in and then ask some questions, and then we can clarify that, because typing doesn't clarify. When you see the person and then I explain it to you, then you may understand it better. So so quite some people have joined. Also, what I will be giving is that there are some books in PDF format that I will share for the participants. Some trade discipline set of in some sort of journals and bookkeeping sort of thing. How do you capture and write this trade journal? Some instructions I will give, and then how do you track, and then what is that payout, when to go for a payout, and how much you should really actually go for a payout, how much you should keep within the account. These are small things that gets lost. So I'll be talking a lot of things. That's not just about where to enter, where to exit, where is the stop loss. No, it's not only that. That is one part of it. But then beyond that, there is lot to learn. So I will be talking of various things, and talking about the life strategies for each day in specific. Every day, Monday, these are the strategies. Like, these are the strategies that you should try for Monday. Tuesday, this. Wednesday, and so on. And there are strategies which you will initiate for the next week in this week itself. And there is a timing at which you should initiate. So those sort of techniques I'll be sharing. I Xwatch, yes, good to see you here. Any questions, guys? Please feel free. So if you guys wanted to check out or have any plans, then this is the link for registration, and just I'm posting it here. It's from Monday to Friday, coming Monday to Friday, and in that I will not be live streaming. I will not do any live streaming. I will only work with the participants who have signed up for the program, where those 5 days I'll be teaching them a lot of my trade techniques, and strategies, and also initiate a live position and show how something that I teach, immediately we go to the live market, apply it, and show the results. Something like that will happen for the next 5 days. I'll wait for some questions. If there are no questions, and we will be online for some more time and then end it. Right now, I will do some FASP analysis for Monday and post it in some time. Mhm. Okay, let's check the comments. Yes, happy Pongal, Million Perus. Really nice and kind of you. My best wishes to you and your family as well, and wishing everyone a very happy Pongal. Mhm. So, uh, unfortunately, this live stream, I cannot be sharing my screen. It's not like trading view. I cannot share and present. I need to use some software to do that. Otherwise, at least I can show you what sort of analysis that I'm doing for Monday. But anyway, the point of this is to clarify what this mentorship program is all about, and to also give any sort of insights that you might need, the questions that you might have in your mind before you want to consider whether to join or not. So you can ask any questions that's in your mind regarding this program. That's the whole point of this. Okay, we have some buy zones. There is a sharp recovery. Mhm. So the program will start at 9 o'clock in the morning, and then it goes up till 4 o'clock. Because after the market gets over, next 30 minutes we will discuss what will be the game plan for the next day, and how do we interpret what happened in the market today. What is its long-term impact, and what are the trend continuation for this week, and what might happen. All such discussions will happen for that half an hour. Then that's it. That half an hour is only for that. So 9 to 9 3:30 would be the uh, session and 30 minutes of analysis, then we are signing off. So likewise, we'll do for next 5 days. So what do you think will happen on Monday? Any idea? Let's see if there are any. This is done. Mhm. Uh, Okay, what are the basic prerequisites for joining this program? Knowledge level, I mean. So this is for absolute beginners to people who have been doing these options for about last 2 years or 3 years. Would because one thing is that there is a lot of misinformation that people have. They have to unlearn a lot of things in order to get better. So this is I would say that if you have 1 year of trading experience, this is excellent. But a lot of people who have never been an option writer also wants to get in here and then try learning what is option writing. So for that, we have to go and then dwell deeper into all aspects of things. So I would say that some knowledge about option, what is option, what are strikes, what is ITM, OTM, ATM. If you have that knowledge, that's good. If not, then we have to start from there itself. Somebody has been doing only equity all their life. Now they are wanting to stepping into uh, options. So we will have to spend some 1 or 2 hours explaining what is ITM, ATM, OTM, and so on. But then we will start building on what is theta, gamma, vega. Then I talk about how do you manage delta changes, and then what is option premium, decay, and why what is erosion, why things are eroding, and what are the values, intrinsic value, extrinsic, intrinsic value, and time value. So those basics will take some time. Then we talk about various concepts or in option trading, and when to edge, when not to edge, when it is not okay to edge. So what are the risk rewards and what is a good risk reward system? And then should we really place stop loss? And can you really trade without stop loss by managing in some other fashion? Many things that we can discuss and explore. So knowledge wise, if you have some thing, then we can speed up and gear up for more good things. So as of now, those people who have joined are already like very much aware of things like what is option, what is strike, what is ATM, OTM. That basics at least they know. Now they wanted to learn higher order things like how to identify my trade setup. Everybody has got their trade setup, right? So what would be my good trade setup? How do I ensure that uh, what can I expect from a day? How much should I expect from a day? They wanted to learn discipline. They wanted to learn more of emotion management and mindset management and so on. So, in a sense, everybody is a beginner. Somebody is there in the market for 10 years also, but still wanting to learn certain basic things like this. So, it's not about how many years of experience, rather, um, the various domains in which we don't have experience. That's what it is. So you may be in the market for 15 years, but you're emotionally triggered and then taking some sort of wild orders at any point, then you lack discipline. So in that sense, as a discipline as a factor, you're a fresher, right? So this is suitable for almost any person, to beginner to intermediate, can definitely sign up for this. So hope that answers X Watch. Mhm. Yeah, you are welcome. Mhm. All right. Let's wait for another 5-10 minutes. If there are no new questions, then we can call it a day. Just quickly wanted to have some sort of discussion and then tell people, um, and clarify their doubts. Okay. Anything for advanced to pro persons, not at this juncture. First, I have to become an advanced person. I cannot be going on to teach someone, while I myself will not call a pro. So, pro is somebody with a capital of at least 5 crores, I would say, and then they should have seen all sort of market, managed it, and then was able to like make some 15 to 20 percentage from the market, and that's when you can call somebody a pro. So no, nothing. I have to. My dream is to become a pro. So I wouldn't say that um, I'm not there yet. It's long way. Okay, give me some PDF for this weekend to explore related to options trading. Yeah, just ping me on the Telegram channel. I will share something with you. So I'm drawing some sort of FASP levels, which I keep posting every day, right? So I'm doing that analysis and then checking the comments. If there are questions, then I'll answer. Otherwise, I'll be doing some work, please, because I cannot really just look at the screen and talk continuously. Um, so this. So 54, 1854. Okay. So 1854. I think that should be good enough, right? Like, yeah, I think I have to respect your times as well. So, anyway, there are no questions, I believe. If there are anything, I will wait for a minute. Otherwise, we will end the stream. Yeah. So, if there are any questions, please do let me know. I'll wait. Um, Maybe I'll just wait for a minute or two and see if there are any questions. So 18,054. Next level is at 18,097. Okay. Then next level is at 18,156. Yeah, 18,200. $252. Okay. Okay, so you are watching my live and back testing the old charts. Exactly. I am also doing the same thing. I am doing a live stream and doing an analysis for the Monday. So, yeah, boring to do back testing alone. That's awesome. So, I am drawing some levels, almost ready. Two, 252 is done. 252 is done. Then 303. 383. next targets. 18,380. $430. 18. 490. 538. Then you have 18,594. So this is done. Awesome. So one part of the job is done. Let's check the stream now. I think this is good enough. So I'll just end the stream if there are no questions, guys. Xwatch, thank you for joining, and Nova, thanks again for joining. So Bhargav, thanks for joining. Bye. Yeah, bye. Bye. Yes, happy weekend to you all, and happy Pongal as well. So nalla enjoy பண்ணுங்க, have great fun. Let's catch up on Monday. Yeah. Bye.